I need to refer to the instructions. Using both hands during handling gently. Do not be rude. Do not be rude. So the top's already in one piece. That's great. So this is metal, and this is like MDF particle board. I don't know. Something probably not too expensive. But yeah, I paid for this myself. This is not sponsored. Oh, those are some big screws. The legs. 4 legs. This is so much easier than IKEA. After this thing, I vowed never to buy IKEA again. And I haven't. I have not. High intensity daylight will make furniture paint film fade. Metal parts are easily oxidized and deteriorated. Awesome. That's how I like my furniture. Easily deteriorated. Daily maintenance. That's high maintenance piece of furniture. Use clean soft cloth and neutral detergent to wipe the surface dust. Do not use acid. You're gonna need to do this every single day. This desk attracts daily maintenance. Beyond daily maintenance, there's also regular maintenance, which is every 6 months, using a small amount of oil. Any oil? Like car oil? To apply and wipe the metal parts to make flexible and prevent rust and oxidation. Make flexible. You have to oil your desk. Really oil the metal parts so it'll become more flexible. Using both hands during handling gently. Do not be rude. No one likes a rude bitch, you know? Do not move furniture reluctantly. Do not push the furniture. Don't be rude, you know? It goes back to number 1. Lifting the table legs, and do not lift the desk top when handling the desk. So grab it by the legs and then move it. Drawers and doors on the desk that doesn't have any should be fixed to avoid tilting or vibrating. Symptoms, reasons, solutions. Door gap leads to unusual use. If you're experiencing unusual use with your door gap, the reason is furniture did not put flat. Simple. Adjust the position or pad width. Perfect. On to the assembling. Seriously? How did you not notice the wig slip? Like you're checking yourself out. I guess in a tiny screen, but still. 1 piece desktop, 4-piece leg. There's an Allen key. 8-piece gigantic screws. These are big boys. Really big screw. All right, so let's get to screwing. Oh, this wasn't mentioned. This is a bonus item. The little feet for the legs. Maybe you took the desk on by force and moved it against its will. It could have broken the feet. Now you get extra. Can't see what I'm doing. I did it. I put a leg on a desk. 2 screws, 1 leg, onto a desk. Desktop. Ugh. So here I am checking myself out again, and I still haven't noticed the wig slip. Where's my Allen key? I've already lost the Allen key. definitely not straight. Maybe it'll even itself out once I position it correctly. Like my tongue in my mouth. Once I position it correctly, I'll be able to speak. It's been a really tough process, but I'm finally down to the last leg. I'm on my last leg. I lift it by the table lags. By the table lags. I need to refer to the instructions. Using both hands during handling gently. Do not be rude. Do not be rude. Tilt it first. This way. And then I'm not supposed to lift it by this. But it says only handle it by the legs. Don't be rude. Rude. I'm gonna be rude. It's heavy. It's heavy for me. Okay. Ta-da! Oh my god, it's a simple desk. I did it! I did a simple thing. Oh, I'm being rude again. So that's it. That's the video of me assembling a desk. Wasn't this exciting? If you thought so, or even if you didn't, but you still kind of enjoyed the content, go ahead and subscribe down here and ring the bell. It may not do anything. It might not notify you when a video pops up, but try it out anyways, and hopefully I'll see you guys later. Bye! Oh, that's kind of rude. I'm being rude. It's a little weeble wobbly. I feel like this end's a little sturdier. It's not too bad now. Tightening the screws helped. Who knew? Who knew? So I flipped it over, tightened down all the screws, and now it's a little more sturdy. Perfect. That's it. I did it. This 37-year-old lady has assembled a desk, a very basic desk. So my opinions on the desk so far, it's a desk. It provides the surface that I was looking for. And I also wanted it to be as basic as possible. It's pretty basic. So far so good. Maybe I'll do an update later on the desk. So yeah. That's all I really have to say about it. For $110, not bad at all. But now it's $156 on Amazon. So if you want to go get yourself a desk like this, I'll have a link down below to my Amazon affiliate store, which is not my store. It's just like affiliate links. So basically, if you buy anything on Amazon, I get like 1 to 3% of that. So you don't have to. You really don't have to. But I'll just toss it in there anyways, because I don't have a Patreon or anything like that, and I'm gonna try to do more videos that are not sponsored, because it's kind of fun. It's fun for me anyways. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I hope it doesn't deteriorate too quickly. I would like to use it as a surface for many years to come, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. I couldn't pick a color, so I picked all the colors. That's white. Another reason I really like white is because it makes me look not as pale. So hopefully I'll see you guys next time, and I gotta go. Bye!